Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Tanya, Sidegigcrafts. Guys, I have got a project share for you today. I recently bought this beautiful paper from Michaels. It's Craftsmith paper and it's 48 sheets. The pages are gloriously full. These are the ones that I have left after my project today. And this is just some of the beauty, the fun that I used. I made a gorgeous project. You guys, I followed a tutorial for folio by Rosa Kelly, and I will be linking that video down below in the description box, as well as tagging Rosa and thanking her for this awesome tutorial. You guys, she's quick, but you can always pause. But she goes through the whole thing, and it's just, she does such a great job explaining it. I had no issues following her directions. I'm not trying to recreate it. I'm going to send you to her channel. Go check it out if you want to make a beautiful folio like this one. What? Yes, it's a recipe. It's for recipes or photos or both. And I created this gorgeousness because of her wonderful instructions. Look at this. Look at this beautiful folio, you guys. Look at this. Look at this chunk. It's perfect. I love this. I'm going to be making more of these because this is going to be going to a special recipient. This is going to be shipped out to my aunt, I believe. I think I'm going to make a card to go with it and ship it out to her. She's always so encouraging and so sweet. I just adore her. So I think she's getting this one. So let me show you. Let me show you. I had to Velcro, guys, because I put the magnets in like Rosa did. And she put them in and they worked for her. My magnets aren't strong enough to hold through this paper, so it did not work for me. So I ended up putting Velcro here. Also, there's magnets on, oops, I put an extra piece of paper in there. There's magnets on the inside of here that should be holding, but they're not, and I'm not going to rip them out. So look at this beautiful paper. I just adore this project, you guys. And then I had these recipe cards. So it's like this. I'm going to start over here. I've got these recipe cards that actually matched really well. So I just kind of stuck them in here into this little pocket. I actually threw out. And this opens up this way. So we've got two pieces here. And then we've got a pocket down here for more. But this is also an easel, so that you can prop up. I know you can't see it, it's not big enough, but you can prop up your recipe while you're working on it, or photo or whatever you want to put there. And then you can, let's see, this, and then this one opens up. Oops, let's shut this again. That opens up this way. So you've got two more mats here. And then this opens up this way. And this is a small book inside. I absolutely love this project, you guys. There's so many things you could do to decorate it and make it your own, however you wanted to do it. I might put a piece of paper there too. I'm not sure I like that. And let's see. Isn't this gorgeous? I love it. And there's a magnet there that helps hold that down. And then this one in the middle opens up this way. Oh, wait, I forgot this part. It opens up this way. And then you close it, and then it opens up this way. And this one opens up like this. This is really hard to show you. And then this one has pockets, and you can open it up downward, so it's got a downward flip. And then we've got a waterfall of pockets. I've got recipe cards stuffing that one. And then, as if that's not enough space, we can open it up yet again to open up to this side. I'm knocking my camera over trying to show you. And then we've got this one opens, and then this one opens, and then we've got this matting here, which I need to put a big decorative something here, don't I? Something fun. So, yeah, it's wonderful. You guys, go check out Rosa's tutorial if you're interested in making this. And then, oops, put that back this way. This way. Because this is just a fantastic. And I'm so excited. I'm going to be making more. I need a Christmas one. I need every season for this one. Isn't that cute? And a paper on the back. Beautiful paper. You can go get it at Michael's. It's a good deal. I don't think I could even get sick of this fall paper. It's just so pretty. So I hope you love this project like I do. Go check out the tutorial if you're interested in making one of your own. I'll be putting a decorative element on the middle of that in the inside of that. I'm just need to think of what I'm going to do there. So thanks for hanging out with me. I know this is a very, very short video, but I wanted to show this one, and make sure that y'all check out her channel, because this is just a wonderful, wonderful treat. Don't you think? I need to make some cards now to go with it. Ooh, this would be cute for a stationery kit too. Instead of doing recipes, you could put cards in here, or card bases, and then you could put different ephemera and stuff in here. It'd be great for swaps, for scrapbooking, or for scrapbooking, journaling, anything like that. That would be a great way to do it too. So many options, especially in craftland, and depending on your ideas. But this is a great, great, fun little folio. Hi, Cash. I hope you guys like it too. Thanks so much for joining me. I hope you have a fantastic day. Hit that like and subscribe button and share with a friend. Bye-bye.